The Holy Ghost is always willing to help, always willing to assist. In your studies, is willing to help you. In your profession, is willing to help you. In that thing in the office that is proving difficult, is willing to help you. Don't do it alone again. So sometimes when I hear people say, run away, japa, japa, japa is not always the answer to your story. By the grace of God, I have never slept with another woman in my life. Saying, Pastor, we are still young. I used to be like you too. I am on campus. I was on campus too. Abstain from fornication. It is possible. God cannot use a lazy man. Any lazy man is a liability to his kingdom. God does not mind waiting to save a diligent man to use him. Bible says it is the glory of the Lord to hide a matter. It is the honor of the king to search it out.